Alright, YouTube. My first video on trying to help people work on some cars here. So bear with me. Got a 2010 Ford Focus. Kind of beat up, kind of rusty. Trying to keep it on the road. We've got AC compressor delete. So we're going to get down here. And I'm going to show you underneath best I can. See the pulley right here? There's a bolt you take out right behind that. You take that bolt out and you put that pulley there. You finagle your air compressor out. That was a real big pain in the butt. It was right in this area here. I know this is tough getting this video. So, back out of here. Good old Focus. There's the pulley, Gates pulley number. There's the belt. Make sure, double make sure that you take some pictures of this belt routing, because it's kind of funky and it's hard to figure out. So, Ford Focus 2010 AC compressor delete. Hope this helps.